Hi there, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. To all my viewers out there, I personally welcome you to this video regarding an iPhone or an iOS on how to restart it, okay? So basically, this video is all about how to restart your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. It has actually a few steps to restart it. The very first one is, of course, holding the power button or the side button. It's actually on the right side. I actually can't see you physically right now, or I can show you physically because I'm doing a screen record. What I can do for you is, of course, just checking here, iPhone, power button, so I can show you guys our visual representation what it looks like. Okay? So as you can see here, please imagine this is your phone, or a more visual representation is this one. So just click on that one. Even though it's saying cross right there, do not panic. So for iPhone 8 and above, I think their power button should be on the left side or right side when you're facing your phone. And once you hold on that one, that button right there, if you hold it, you'll see this notification or option. Just slide to power off, slide it to the right, and then your phone will power off. Okay? However, there's a difference regarding forcing a restart or restart properly. To force a restart, we do this or I do this to normally reset everything regarding the network. How I do it is just clicking on that power button, that side one, and then clicking on the lower volume button at the same time. So that's how you reset or force reset your iPhone. And then just holding the power button is turning it off, okay? So that is basically on how to restart your iPhone. Thank you for watching and please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.